Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by placing the watch face down on a soft, clean surface so nothing scratches it. Once done, pick the band pieces and note which is the long versus short piece. That determines position on your wrist. Make sure to locate the tiny release button on the watch case edge. Pressing it lets the connector slide free. Press and hold the release, then align the band rail with the watch slot and begin to slide it in smoothly until you feel a soft click. You should now slide the connector straight into the slot, keeping the metal rail parallel to the case to prevent binding. As you push, apply steady, even pressure. You'll know it's seated when you hear or feel a short, distinct click. Make sure the band's orientation matches the watch curvature so the buckle faces the correct direction when worn. If you hit resistance, stop, retract slightly, recheck alignment, then try again. Forcing it risks scratching or damaging the latch. Finish by giving each band piece a firm but gentle tug to confirm it's locked into place. No sliding or wobble means you're done. If the connector does not secure, press the release button while sliding out and clean the slot. Dust or lint often prevents engagement. You can use a soft brush or a short burst of compressed air to clear debris, then reinsert. If problems persist, try the other band orientation or consult support. Usually cleaning and correct alignment solve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.